are going to use Ivory soap, okay? So y'all look at this brand. It has to be this brand of soap because Ivory soap is made in a special way. When they make the soap, before it hardens, they whip it in the blender and put all kinds of air bubbles in it. I'm gonna show you. Remember a couple weeks ago we talked about density and about how when things are less dense, they'll float up to the top? I wanna show you the demonstration with this soap. So if my cameraman will zoom in, you can notice that the soap does not sink, okay? And that is because it is less dense than the water because so much air has been incorporated in with the whipping. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook this other bar of soap in the microwave. And what's gonna happen is all those water molecules in the soap are gonna get hot. And what do you think is gonna happen? Okay, I want you to hypothesize with your family about what's gonna happen. So I'm now gonna take the soap, I'm gonna put it in my microwave, make sure it's placed there. I'm gonna do 1 minute. And my handy dandy cameraman, he is gonna film for us. I want you to notice, nothing happens at first, but as the water molecules in the soap get hotter, you're gonna start seeing a change happen to the soap. Oh, can you see it? Look what happens to the soap. It's growing, it's expanding, it's becoming very large. I hope it doesn't make a mess in my microwave. Look at that, isn't that amazing? Now remember, you can only do this with the Ivory brand soap because the Ivory brand soap is the one that is done, it's whipped up with so much air in it, and that's what causes all this expansion. Okay, in just a few seconds, we're gonna take it out. Now, still growing, okay? We're gonna take it out, and as you can see, we have a soap cake, okay? So I'm gonna bring it over here. This is really amazing. Now, when you first take it out, it's gonna be hot, so you gotta be careful with it, okay? But if you zoom in there, Joe, you'll see that it's starting to kind of fall down, but this is what used to be the bar of soap. So let's talk about the science behind this. When the soap is liquid and it's whipped, it's whipping all kinds of water molecules and air molecules in there, and the water becomes trapped in the chemical structure of the soap. And when we heat it, and the water gets really hot, it evaporates. And when that water is gone, it causes the air molecules to expand, okay? It's known as something called Charles's Law. But now, what we can do, it's cooled down enough that I won't burn my hand, we can actually like play with the soap. You can zoom in. We can make a soap ball. Think about how much fun you could have in the bathtub with this, okay? So, if you want to try this at home, it's Ivory brand soap. It's Charles's Law. Look that up and study it up. And everybody have a great day.